Hi, this is me, Amal Hermes, again from Vivian Hair Design. I still have with me here Yvonne from England. As you see, we have put the rollers inside and she just finished with drying 30 minutes. I'm gonna show you now how to take the rollers from the hair. So take one rollers and softly and very gently. You see, very nice, lovely rollers. Yeah. So very easy and simple, and they are now dry. You see, when they are dry, you see there is little bit spaces here. So just gently, nice, beautiful. You can do that many times. Just put the rollers in your hair. Especially here in Spain, it's very hot weather. Many ladies, they put rollers and they sit in the garden and the hair is dry because it's very hot here. See, so as you see, nice, beautiful rollers. Yeah. This was the rollers. Yeah, and to brush the rollers, we can use this and that. Yeah, this comb and this brush. So what do you do is comb the rollers and brush it. Comb the rollers and brush the hair. Comb and the brush. Comb the rollers and brush the hair. Easy and simple. To make it little bit loose, one by one, we go here, comb the rollers and brush. Here the same. See, nice, lovely hair. Very nice, beautiful. And this side the same. I'm combing the rollers and brush directly, automatically, nice, beautiful. So what we did, we brushed the hair this side. Yes, now we finish. We're gonna brush the hair the opposite side. So we comb the hair the opposite side and we brush just to make it more loose, the rollers places, so you don't see that we put rollers in your hair. So after finishing brushing the hair the opposite side, we go now brush the hair a normal way. Beautiful. You see, very nice, lovely movement in the hair. So we go here. Beautiful. Now we're gonna style it in the way she wanna wear it, the hair. Yes, lovely, nice, easy and simple. See, very nice. See, so you don't see the places where we put the rollers. It's nice, beautiful and very attractive. Yeah, so you see, this is the effect of the style. So what we're gonna do, we comb the hair very loose, we leave it a little bit loose, and the movement is inside and it's beautiful and nice. Yeah, so what we're gonna do now, we're gonna put just a little bit here, Laka. Just because Yvonne, she like it a little bit loose and little bit curly, and we don't need to back home nothing. You see? Yes. See? To make very nice line here. Beautiful, huh, Yvonne? How do you feel?
I feel as if when I see the mirror, I think I'm going to really like it. I think the rollers will be the answer in future for me.
The answer future, exactly. See? Here, just a little bit nice and lovely style, easy and simple to wear. Yes, yeah. So this is the result of the style. Nice and lovely and beautiful curls, and just she liked the curls, so we don't need to back home nothing, just little bit movement in the hair. You see, beautiful. Because she have fine hair, we want to make like it feels more here and beautiful and nice and easy. So this is the results from Yvonne hairstyle. So we just tried to show you how we do the rollers in the hair. Yes, and so this is Yvonne. How do you feel? Yeah, do you want to say anything to everybody there in the world?
I feel when I see the mirror, I shall absolutely love it.
Yes. And do you want to say hi to everybody there in the world?
Oh, hello to everybody. I found a fantastic hairdresser.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, this is me, Amal Hermes from Vivian Hair Design. Thank you very much for watching us. We wish you a nice day. Bye-bye. Bye.